Hello everyone. I want to show you in this video how you can connect your Zapmail account with your domain, and then how you can set up the DNS records like DKIM, SPF, and all these things in just few clicks. Um, so I am using GoDaddy for Domain Manager. Maybe you have name.com, maybe namecheap.com. So I'm using GoDaddy. You just need to click on your domain and go to their DNS settings. Um, I'm doing this for this domain. So first you need to copy the domain name and go to your Zapmail account and click on domains, and there you can connect your domain. So once you select domain, uh, it will create two name server records that you need to set up in your DNS provider. So I'm doing this here. I will use my own. So this is for name server 1 and this one is for name server 2. So once you uh, set up these, then will you lose to edit the DNS records in your domain manager. So make sure that this maybe like sometimes someone has a website or any other setting, so it will be losing. So just do it with your empty domains. Click it, save. Okay, so once you've done this, then go to Zapmail and do verification. So sometimes it takes some time. I will pause the video and we'll back in a few minutes. Okay, so finally the verification is done. So sometimes it takes a few minutes. So you can see the domain is set up like connected. So here you can see the domain forwarding, remark, and all these things. So I will create one email with this. So go to Mailbox, uh, assign, and so I have a limit of 10, so I can create 10 mailboxes. I'm just clicking on this one, sign. Okay, so I just want to use any random names just for testing purpose. Natalie Cooper, and I will copy first name as username and then select the domain that I have created. Okay. So I will click create. So the mailbox has been created. Okay, so you see it's in progress. After a few minutes you will see that this one, uh, the DNS records and all things will be active very soon. So I'm just waiting for a few minutes and then I will come back to you. Okay, thank you. So you can see now like all the SPF DKM is set up automatically. So one thing is, if you want to uh, move the domain, like a redirect of domain, so I will just show you how to redirect your domain as well. So update setting, I just want to redirect to my another website. uh, so you can also redirect your email. So but right now I'm just want to redirect my domain to this one. So click save, and it's in progress and it will be done in a few minutes. So this is something like you can set up by your own self in just few minutes. Sometimes it takes time due to the DNS propagation. So any questions you can write me in comments and I will try to explain each step. Thank you.